What's up, guys? Let's come through. I'm gonna show you guys how to fucking fix your on link and link. So guys, you wanna go this right here, this link right here, that link there, and press whatever platform you're on. So guys, I'm right now I'm using PlayStation 4. So guys, you press that, you enter your info, but I'm not gonna be into market. I already done this shit. So you enter that, unlink it and link your account that has scans or whatever on it, and there you go, guys. Shit, that's it. This is the link which I'm gonna show you. Let me show you. You can do this on phone too, but like it's better on phone. Alright, so let's get it right there. Alright, so I want to just copy this link. I've got to go in here. Sorry for the glitched out shit. So. Alright, guys, come right here. I'll press sign in. There she is. Press what platform you on. From here. And you should be right here at this page. Enter your shit and link your account. Go to settings and all that shit. But I can't, my picture has like the huge characters and fucked up, so I can't even do it. So yeah. That's the end of the video. Peace out.